it to Sebring to the face-off. Only a few hours late. Let's see what we got. Hey, you're those guys.
How's it going?
Yeah, I always see you guys at Sebring.
Yeah.
You guys are doing some, get some bottle openers.
Yeah, we're having a drift event at our track November 4th.
So, nice.
Yeah. You guys make like fittings, like fuel fittings and stuff, right?
Yeah. Hey, we met.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think I ordered some fittings for you for my car.
Oh yeah?
A bunch of, I think I ordered like a bunch of, I did some like a bunch of 10 a.m. and 12 a.m. stuff.
Okay.
A couple months ago, I think, for you guys.
I know, I love
Nice.
this.
Yeah.
That's what I came
Awesome,
for.
man.
Yeah.
Seriously, thanks for the business.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, fine. Maybe I'll take
so what
a chair
car do you
now.
I have
I stood for half an hour.
just a travesty of a Fox Body Mustang with an LS in it.
Nice. So that's about 75% of the
The
remaining Fox Body Mustangs.
Yeah, exactly.
Most of them
Yep.
there's about 25% clean ones, and the rest are just kind of in various states of disrepair.
Yeah. Pretty much mine. Mine's
there
like
we go, finally.
just like gutted drag car, pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that accounts for about 10% of all Fox Body Mustangs.
Like 50% probably.
Yeah.
Well, not gutted, but yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
10% of well would be about
Yeah.
gutted track cars,
Yeah.
and some various state of disrepair.
Yeah.
So cool, man. Well, I'll see you the rest of the show.
Yeah, see you, man.
Catch you later. Hey, look at this guy.
It's not raining.
Hey, what's this all about?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Alex.
David.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, let me give you the card.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
So we do. Here we
Thank
go.
you, sir. Cool.
We do like fittings and hoses and stuff.
Nice.
So tell me about this car.
It's a 93 Nissan 240SX convertible with a LS2 swap and an S14 Koki front end.
Okay.
And I just won the Southeast Drifting and Pro-Am Championship.
Nice. So you're that guy.
I'm that guy.
You're the guy. Okay. And I see you kind of converted into like a truck kind of thing.
It was a convertible, and we created a bikini top just to keep the sun and the rain off of me.
Okay. That's good. And it can't ruin that that amazing tan.
Yeah, well, I get a tan regardless, but at least I don't get direct roasting.
Gotta maintain your complexion. Cool, man. I'll catch you later.
Rock on, brother.
Later.
Nice meeting you.
Missed out on like 3 or 4 hours of the event. Got so much to catch up on. So we got a couple more drift cars. There we go. C36 has seen some better days. It's a drift car. That's got an LS swap on it. I can't tell which one's the shifter. Oh, that little one's the shifter over there. And then the big one is the hydraulic handbrake. Okay, this is unique. It's a looks like a carbureted Chevy engine swapped inside of an E36. Got a pretty unique thing going on there. Look because he got a passenger from beyond the grave. That's pretty slick. Holy crap, look at this thing. Jeez, huge, cool, really cool fiberglass bumper. Let's see what we got here. Full roll cage. Really nice. Nice big carbon fiber wing. Okay, so it's an S13.5, so it's an S13 with an S15 front end. There you go. Nice. What motor's in here? Looks like a 2J, I think. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah. Hey, what? Do you know what motor is in it? 1JZ. It's a 1JZ. Okay. 3582. Okay, I guess close. I was guessing 2JZ. Yeah, a little hard to see through the vent.
I could imagine.
Yeah.
We'll get the hood open here a little bit.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Full drift setup. Look at that. No hydraulic handbrake though. Yeah, I guess I don't really need it. Oh, there it is. It does have a hydraulic handbrake. And bright cloth for the shifter boot. Real nice.
Hey, you have an Afro. Hey, look, I did cherry blossom.
That's pretty cool. But you have a bigger turbo now?
Same size, but billet. It's a bigger front cover, though.
Okay, so you have a billet wheel with a larger compressor housing. That's pretty cool. So what is it now, 800 horsepower?
Without nitrous, it's 7 and change.
7 and change? So it can get out of its own way now? Okay, then built engine?
Yeah, you know, we use these really good finish line factory fittings.
Yeah, they're okay.
Yeah, I have one that's leaking, though.
Oh. It's not that one though, right? Not the one that I sold you?
Oh, actually, you know what happened?
What's that?
Remember I came to your house to buy all the fittings?
Right.
And that's the main one I came for?
Yeah?
That's the one I didn't get.
Oh, you mean the one that's leaking?
Yes.
The one that you didn't buy from me?
Yeah.
Oh, you should replace that one.
Yeah, I know. I paid you for it. I didn't get it.
Oh. I don't remember that.
You scammed me. That's the one I came for.
I didn't scam you. You just didn't pick it up. I know. Yeah.
Where's your Supra?
My Supra?
Not yours, his.
Where's your Supra? It's in the clinic. It's in the Super Clinic.
Super Clinic.
He got a 1J in his
Let's check
truck.
out this
Good stuff, yeah.
this thing here. It's a nice valve cover.
Hand painted.
Who did it, Bob Ross?
Saw that picture, I'm like, wow. You know yourself?
Hey, where's Daniel? Hey, man. David?
I don't know you, bro.
You don't know me? All right. See you guys.
What's up, man? Long time I fucking see.
Yeah.
In person, I should say.
Right?
What's up, guys?
Well, the microphone's facing the other way, so you have to talk a little louder.
Why is that a little penis?
What's wrong with little penis? Hold on, let me flip around.
There you go. So now you can hear us.
Hey!
Hey, what's up, fellas, ladies,
This is
gents?
Daniel. Where's the car you're building? Is it here? Is it broken?
It's at home, bro.
It's at home?
In the garage. I haven't touched my car in 3 weeks.
This guy hasn't touched his car in 3 weeks.
But guess what? This man right here is gonna give me some freaking, you know, some fittings and stuff so I can finish it for free.
I'll give you a discount.
Also, make sure it's on camera so that way he can't say no.
What?
What's good though, man?
I'm pretty good. Let's see some of the cars you got. All right, you're the guy. Talk about the cars.
So right here is a white S2K.
Right?
It is my friend right there, Michaela, in the swerve hat. You see the swerve hat? Make sure you get the swerve hat.
Zoom in on that.
Swerve hat. We got those on the site, so
Oh,
check them out.
There we go.
All right, so as you can see, very aggressive. Female driver. Uh-oh, you good?
Good.
All right,
We're not gonna get run over. It's not a Mustang.
Thank God you could drive.
Yeah, don't worry. It's not a Mustang. We don't have to worry.
Oh, look at the back of that car. Oh, shit.
What'd you do?
A little wall top ain't bad.
Jeez.
All right, so as you can see, it has the the big wing in the back. Also the roll cage.
All right.
These wheels.
3-piece wheels.
You know what I'm saying? Once again, female driven, right?
Yeah.
All right, and then you move over to here.
I like this. What is this? Laguna Seca Blue?
Laguna Seca Blue S2K, and that's the owner right there.
Yeah. So Matt.
All right, follow him on Instagram. 2 sick S2Ks.
Sick S2Ks.
Sick S2Ks.
Yeah.
Wife and, you know, husband couple. So, there you go over here. Laguna Seca Blue S2K with the swerve tire labels. The swerve everything if you can't realize by now. Alright? Swerve. If it ain't swerve, it ain't shit. Anyway, so swerve tire labels, swerve top banner. Once again, beautiful Laguna Seca Blue spoon hardtop.
I'm digging the hardtop. Those are rare.
So check out the tail lights. LED tails, right? Right? You got that?
Yeah.
Don't forget all the swerve stickers in the back. On the site, by the way, you can get them on the site and check it out.
So much swerve. How does he drive straight?
Swerve everything, man. How does he drive straight? He doesn't. He swerves. Let's go back up this white SUV over here.
He must be a drifter.
So you're gonna see the dual tip, long exhaust. You see that? The carbon fiber diffuser. You feel me? All right. Catching all that. All right, cool. Let's not forget the suede seats. Okay.
The suede
White
seats.
steering wheel, white roll cage. Everything is coordinated, as Ludacris would say.
Right.
It's real clean, real subtle, you know.
APR mirrors.
Oh, how did I miss that? How did I miss that? But yeah, man. So we holding it down here at
The show. That little car
Cultural
club going.
Alliance.
It's pretty cool.
What's it called again?
Huh?
What's the show called again? Hold
The
on.
Face Off.
Face Off.
Yeah.
Edit that out.
All right. Cool, man. Well, man, I tell you, this is an amazing event. There's a huge car show. There's drifting on two sides. There's drag racing. There's people drinking light beer. It's an amazing show. Love it. What's this? A Red Bull bar. Huh. I wonder if they've got any Red Bull. Let's take a quick peek. See if we might be able to cop some Red Bull. Okay. All right, we got some trash. And, hey, the good thing, do I have something in here? Nope, it's just a label. Got some cold water though. And, oh, that's empty too. Huh. No Red Bull for Dave. Guess they gave it all away. Hey everyone, Chris has asked me to inform you all of the Get Low event. This will not feature Lil Jon. It might. I mean, he lives in, isn't he from Tallahassee? I mean, you might be able to get him. All right, let's go cop it just a little bit of drifting before the event's completely over. I left the event about 45 minutes early. Even though it was kind of winding down, most people had left anyway. So, going back for the 2-hour trip back home. Everything's packed up,
In a
ready to
quarter
go.
mile, turn left onto US 98 South.
Thanks, Google. So it was fun. I like the fact that, you know, one side there's drag racing, another side there's drifting, and there's a car show in between, and you know, just being able to see so much all at once. It's a really fun event.
Turn left onto US 98 South.
And you know, being able to meet new people, meet some of my customers that have actually purchased from me before, and they recognize me from the videos. It's kind of fun, really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, edit this into something hopefully meaningful and entertaining, and I'll catch you guys later. See you. Bye. Oh, and by the way, before I let you guys go, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should, so that I can keep making shitty videos. And yeah, make sure to hit the like button if you like the video, and if you didn't like the video, then just go watch another video. Don't hit the dislike button. That would be terrible. So cool. Thanks, guys. See ya.